lahat ng mga
Recording in
andito.
progress.
And again, happy time zone traders. Welcome to our winning psychology session where we sharpen the most powerful tool you have in trading, which is your mind. So, mga traders, before we start, I want to set your expectations. Ayun, meron talaga tayong setting of expectations. So, today, ang pag-uusapan natin is all about winning psychology, which is andito po sa topic natin, okay? So, ibig sabihin, today, okay, hindi tayo magfo-focus sa technical analysis. Okay? Walang chart, walang indicators, wala po munang indicators. Bakit? Okay, why? Because meron po tayong separate sessions for that. Okay? Pero, ito ang gusto kong maintindihan ninyo. Kahit gaano ka kagaling sa charts, kahit gaano kaganda ang strategy mo, kung hindi mo kayang i-manage ang sarili mong emotions, hindi ka magiging consistent sa trading. And sadly, ito yung part na madalas binabaliwala ng karamihan. Kasi akala nila strategy lang ang kailangan, akala nila signal lang ang kailangan, pero ang totoo, psychology is the foundation of everything. Okay? So today, I want you to be open. Okay? Makinig kayo, hindi lang para matuto, kundi para ma-realize kung saan tayo nadadali sa sarili nating mindset. So before you master the market, you must first master your mind. Okay? This is very perfect, especially if you are beginner pa. Okay? Or refresher din ito kung meron ka ng experience. Okay, so today I would like to congratulate and welcome to the family sa lahat ng mga first timer dito. Meron ba mga first timers dito? Pa-type nga dyan 1 if you are a first timer, no, na makapag-attend ng training natin. Guys, welcome natin sila. Ayun, meron ba tayong clap emoji dyan? Ayun, welcome po natin lahat ng mga andito. Because today, we're going deeper into the mindset na kailangan para maging consistent, disciplined, and confident trader. So, kung bago ka sa trading, this will give you clarity. Kung matagal ka na din, this will give you direction. And for everyone here, this session can be the turning point of your trading journey. So, right now, relax lang tayo, take notes, and stay open. Because the mindset you build tonight will shape the result you create tomorrow. Again, guys, I welcome you all to winning psychology. Okay? So, first, I know na marami din dito since meron ng experience, no, or nakapag-try ng mag-trade, but I want you to understand that losing trade doesn't define you. Okay? So first and foremost, okay, traders, this is a reminder, no? Hindi ka talo dahil natalo ka sa isang trade. Talagang part ng journey ang losses. Ang tunay na nagse-separate sa profitable traders na ay agad nang sumusuko, no? Agad silang sumusuko. But I mean, trading is not just skill alone. It's discipline. So, hindi sapat na marunong kang magbasa lang ng chart, hindi sapat na meron kang strategy, hindi sapat na meron kang signal, kasi sa totoo lang, ang pinakamalaking laban sa trading, hindi na sa market, but nasa mindset natin. And, again, the market will test your patience. The market will test your confidence and your emotions. And karamihan sa traders, hindi bumabagsak dahil kulang sila sa knowledge. Hindi lang sila bumagsak dahil kulang lang sila sa knowledge, kundi dahil kulang sila sa disiplina. Again, the market rewards discipline, not emotion. So master your mind and you master your trade. So once you learn to control your fear, the greed, the FOMO, doon na nag-iiba ang laro. So you start trading with logic, hindi na siya emotion. With strategy, hindi na siya panic. With clarity, hindi na rin siya pressure. And that's where consistency begins. Okay? So, anyway, again, magpapakilala pala ako. My name is Marjorie Gabutan. You can call me Coach Marge. You can call me Ma'am Marge. And I graduated at MSU IIT. And yes, I am here in Mindanao. So, Bisaya ko. Magkalapit lang po kami ni Coach Nars, and I am a registered nurse, and entrepreneur din po ako. May mga businesses din po ako, no? And I'm doing this forex trading as a side hustle. Sino ba dito yung ayaw ng side hustle? And of course, bakit forex trading, no? Kasi sa dami-dami ng mga ibang side hustles dyan, bakit ko pa pinasok si forex trading? Unang-una, forex is a digital business. Okay. So, hindi kasi dito kailangan ng physical store. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, Ma'am Marge, meron ka bang malaking store dyan, no? Or meron ka bang malaking building dyan? Okay. Actually, forex trading, you don't need that. Okay? Si forex, isa po siyang digital business. Hindi na po kailangan ng physical store. Walang rent, walang inventory. All you need is your phone or laptop at internet. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pwede kang kumita kahit nasa bahay ka lang or nasa ibang bansa ka, nasa work ka, or kahit saang lugar ka. Basta meron lang internet connection. Okay? Next, the best part of forex trading, flexible lifestyle. Hindi ka naka-time in, hindi ka naka-time out. Walang ganito dito. Okay. Ikaw ang pipili kung kailan ka magte-trade. That's the best part. So whether OFW ka man, meron ka mang full-time job, or housewife ka man, pwede mo talaga siyang isabay sa schedule mo. Kasi maraming nagsasabi, Ma'am Marge, pwede ba siya sa akin kasi busy akong tao. Actually, fit na fit to siya sa'yo kung busy ka. Kasi wala kang time in, wala kang time out dito. Kaya nga siya flexible. Okay. Next, low startup cost. So, hindi mo kailangan dito ng milyon para magsimula. Okay? Compared sa traditional business na meron ka pang overhead staff, meron ka pang expenses, dito, you can start small habang natututo ka. Okay? So, dito, the ideal is 100 USD. Yun yung pinaka-ideal na starting. So, it's around mga 5.8 or 5.7. Okay? The best part of this, you can earn high potential. Okay? High earning potential. So, dito, hindi kasi fix ang income mo. Okay? Wala po siyang ceiling. Okay? So, wala siyang ceiling. Kung marunong ka, disciplined ka na, at consistent ka, your income can grow based on your knowledge, based on your skill. That's why, kailangan talaga natin siyang i-master. Okay? At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, no experience needed. Kaya nga dito, di ba andito ka ngayon, sino dito yung mga first timer again? No, meron dito nagta-type ng 1, si Sir Rafael, si Ma'am Aida, marami. Okay, marami. Ayun, nagta-type ng 1, si Ma'am Marilyn. Ang daming mga first timer. Okay. So, dito guys, kung bakit andito ka ngayon, kasi I do believe na first timer ka. So, actually guys, I'm telling you, if you're willing to learn, pwedeng-pwede ka dito. Okay? Lahat ng profitable traders ngayon, nagsisimula din po sa zero knowledge. I myself started as zero knowledge. Most ng mga 7-digit earner dito sa community po natin, mga zero knowledge. Pero guys, ito ang reality. Hindi strategy ang pinaka-problema ng karamihan. It's the mindset. Kaya bago ka mag-click ng buy or sell, you need the right psychology. And that's exactly what we're building here for today. Okay? So, by the way guys, no, I would like you to meet my family. Share ko lang konti, segue ko lang konti. Kung bakit ko talaga pinili si forex trading. And I'm telling you, nung time na nag-decide ako, it can really give you a quality life with your family. And if you want that, patype nga dyan QL, if you want a quality life. Kapag nag-reply ka ng QL, ibig sabihin nun, you will receive Okay, you receive that affirmation. Sige nga, ayun, ang daming nagtatype ng QL. And I know, ikaw na po yung next. Ayun. So anyway guys, ito po yung ating community. It's Pinoy Traders Community. Part na po kayo ng family po namin. So by the way, nung time po na wala pa pong challenges no sa UAE, nag-meet and greet po sina Coach MJ and Coach Nars. And of course, bakit ako sobrang believe sa community natin? It's because in just 6 months time, yung community po natin have achieved 39 million withdrawals. Palakpakan natin yan guys. Sa community po natin yan, hindi po siya isang tao lang yung nag-withdraw dyan, but overall, it's together. And nung time na awardan po tayo as top, tayo po yung top withdrawals sa buong VT markets. So yan po yung community na pinasukan ninyo, winning community. Grabe guys, no? So anyway, why psychology matters more than knowledge? Okay. When people hear the word Forex, ang una nilang iniisip agad ay chart, strategy, the indicators. Pero, ang hindi alam ng karamihan, psychology is what truly separates losing trades from winning traders. You can have the best strategy in the world. Pero kung hindi mo kayang kontrolin ang emotion mo, madaling mabubura ang account mo. Totoo ba yun guys? Sino dito yung relate? Because the mindset determines how you react. The mindset determines whether you follow your plan or break it. And the mindset determines if you treat Forex as business or a shortcut. That's why psychology is the foundation that keeps you stable when the market becomes unstable. It's the inner discipline that stops you from overtrading, over-leveraging, and revenge trading. So, guys, ito nga yung 70%, no? 70% psychology, 30% skills. The emotions affect your decision making. The strategies won't work if mindset is weak. Forex is a business, not a get-rich-quick scheme. That's why we always say, mindset first, execution next. If your psychology is strong, your strategy becomes effective. If your psychology is weak, even the best strategy will fail. This is where true trading success begins inside your mind. So sa trading, hindi lang puro strategy ang labanan. 'Di ba? Hindi lang siya puro strategy. Ika nga sa trade with the pros, 'di ba? Anong sabi dito? 80% psychology, 20% technical. A 2025 blog states, trading success is 80% psychology and 20% technical analysis, highlighting how emotional biases and mental discipline determines outcome. 'Di ba? So, anyway, kadalasan talo ang trader hindi dahil kulang sa knowledge, kundi dahil hindi niya kayang kontrolin ang emotion niya. So, kapag malakas ang mindset mo, mas malinis ang execution. So, kapag mas disiplinado ka at mas consistent po yung result. So, mindset muna tayo bago chart. Okay? So, warning lang, meron akong warning, no? Yung mga principles na pinag-uusapan natin for today, medyo hard pill to swallow. Pero kung gusto mo talaga ng totoong success, kailangan din natin ng totoong talk or real talk. Okay lang ba magpa-real talk tayo ngayon? Kasi hindi lahat ng sweet, 'di ba? Hindi lahat sweet, hindi lahat madali. Pero lahat nito makakatulong para maging disiplinado tayo at mas profitable ka as a trader. Okay? Yan po yung goal natin for today. Okay? So anyway guys, ito po yung ating trading journey. So this is what we call the 5 M's. Okay, type nga 5M. Okay, so ito po yung ating trading journey. Sige nga, 5M. Okay, type tayo dyan guys para at least hindi tayo antokin. Okay. So, una, this is what we call the mindset. Okay? Mindset success begins in your mind. So, dito pa lang nagsisimula ang success. Kung mali ang mindset, kahit gaano kaganda ang strategy natin, mahihirapan pa rin tayo. So, kailangan malakas ang discipline at emotional control. Pangalawa, this is what we call mechanics. So, si mechanics, ito po yung rules and basic ng trading. So, kailangan alam mo kung paano gumalaw ang platform, paano mag-enter, paano mag-exit, at paano mag-manage ng risk. Ito ang foundation ng execution natin. Next, this is what we call another third M, the market structure. So, dito mo naintindihan kung paano gumagalaw ang market. Okay, so anyway, we have separate session for this, like about trends, no? About marami naman. Meron tayo about the ranges, the key levels, and many more. Okay? Next, this is what we called the method. Follow a proven strategy. So, in the other sessions, we have proven strategies na. Okay? Lastly, the mastery. Ito yung stage na hindi ka na basta-basta natitinag sa emotion. So, through practice, nagiging consistent ka na at dito mo nagagawang i-convert ang skills into real profit. So, remember, hindi mo malalampasan ang journey, pero pwede kang gumaan ang journey kung tama ang guidance at community natin. Okay? So, this is what we called again, the 5 M's. Okay. So, again, traders, ito yung reality. Okay? Basahin natin, no? How long it takes to make money? Trading or, day trading or swing trading? Okay, many people put in multiple years before breaking into consistent profitability. It takes at least a year to consistently make money from day trading or swing trading. If working or if it's full-time or with a mentor or only working on one strategy. 6 months is the quickest, most take longer if learning part-time. Now, if learning part-time, expect to spend a year or 2 years or more before making money. Okay. So again, it takes at least a year para maging consistently profitable. At ang pinakamabilis, around 6 months, pero yan ay kung full-time, may mentor ka, at may iisang strategy lang ang ifo-focus. Pero kung part-time, natural na matagal talaga. Hindi dahil mahina ka, kundi dahil skill talaga ang trading. So, hindi siya shortcut, guys. Ang mahalaga, huwag tayong magmadali. Okay? Stay patient. Stay disciplined. Again, consistency comes to those who commit to the process. Okay? So, iba-iba po kasi yung learning pace ng tao. So, that's why, wag tayong ma-pressure sa mga result, no, ng mga classmates natin. Especially, no, kapag nasa inside ka na ng VIP, may mga classmates ka talaga kumikita na ng 500,000. Yung iba, coach, grabe, in a day, nag-$1,000 siya. So, again guys, I'm telling you, wag nating madaliin. Okay? Better safe. Okay? So, iba-iba po yung learning ng tao. So, again, Hero 30 is a 30-day structured trading program kasi may nagtatanong, ano ba talaga si Hero 30? Okay, kasi 'di ba kanina merong nagsasabi Hero 30. So, Hero 30 is a 30-day structured program. It is designed for you to guide you from zero knowledge to a skill-based trader. So, meron po siyang scheduled sessions, meron po siyang scheduled group coaching sessions na pinangungunahan ng mga coaches ng community. In short, hindi lang siya self-study. So, guided talaga siya bawat lesson. So, kung hindi ka naman nakakapag-attend ng mga live session, may mga recorded naman. So, lahat ng mga sessions, meron po siyang replay or recording. So, you can watch it anytime and catch up at your own pace. Okay?
Nandito lang
so,
pala pera.
Anyway, before dyan, no, speaking of our Hero 30 graduates, meron lang po ako ipapakita sa inyo na dahil po dito sa from zero knowledge to guys, no, dahil po sa Hero 30 nakapag for good na po siya dito sa Pinas, and when you're saying busy din po siya, pero na-amaze din po ako sa growth niya dahil sa ating sessions. So let's all welcome Ma'am Vine.
Nandito lang palang pera, so bakit pa ako magpagod?
Hi Pips, may interviewin naman tayo from our community, fresh from Thailand, Miss Vine! Kamusta naman yung trading journey mo?
Ang dami kong natutunan. Ganado ka kapag natutunan mo na isang bagay na gusto mong matutunan, lalo na pag nag-take profit ka na. Every time na mag-trade ako, may kinita ako.
Wala pang 1 month sa trading journey mo, bakit ka nag-resign? Kasi hindi lahat may lakas ng loob na gano'n na hindi na uwi na ako ng Pinas.
Kasi in just 4 days, kumita ako ng 6 digits. And naisip ko, ba't ako magpagod for 1 month at ganito lang ang kinita? Ilang digits lang? 4. Sabi ko, nandito lang palang pera, so bakit pa ako magpagod?
Ibig sabihin, nakatipid ka pa ng oras. Kaysa yung oras mo, ubusin mo ng ilang taon, tapos ganito lang yung kita mo. Ngayon, days lang, kinita mo yung isang taon na effort mo. Actually guys, humble lang to si ma'am, pero 7 digits na yung kinita niya dito sa 1 month mo na journey. Kaya talaga from zero knowledge to 7-digit income.
Yes, walang imposible kasi walang bagay na mahirap kapag talagang porsigihin mong matuto. Everything can be learned. Kung kumita ang iba, why not you? Of course, you start from the basic. Mastery muna bago ka sasabak sa live trading. Demo muna, mag-build ka ng confidence sa demo. Itong Pinoy traders, ginamit ni Lord para ako makonect sa legit broker. So, ngayon, connected ako sa world market, makapag-trade ako anytime. Para sa mga taong talagang nagnanais na magkaroon ng financial breakthrough, then this is the right business for you.
Comment ako if you want to learn more.
Ayun guys, so we have the opportunity na ma-interview si Miss Vine, and of course, she's part of our community. Ayun, mamimit nyo din po siya. So, anyway, no, okay, parang medyo may problem konti yung aking pictures. Problem, hold on muna. Saglit lang po. Okay, hold on lang muna. Okay, may mga times talaga na ayun, loading talaga. Okay, yes. Sana makauwi for good. Claiming it na makakauwi ka for good po. Ayun. Parang nag-load na po siya. Pasensya na po. May mga times talaga na ganito. But, okay. Ayun. Hold on. Okay, nakikita na po ba? Ayun. So, am I clear? Okay, am I clear? Yes? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. So, ito po yung mga classmates po natin, no, sa ating Hero 30 VIPs.
Nandito lang palang pera, so
kanina narinig nyo si Miss Vine, no? So we had the opportunity na mahatid si Miss Vine, no, sa kanila. Okay? Doon sa hinatid po namin siya doon sa airport. Okay? Para makauwi din siya sa kanila. Kasi nagbanding po kami dito sa Cagayan de Oro. So anyway, aside from that, we also have our classmates na andito. Ayun, nida din, matutong umuwi. Ayun, si Sir Rafael. Okay, so, anyway, andito guys, actually, ang dami nila. Ito yung mga latest, no? Mga latest po ito. So, hindi ko na maisa-isa, pero, grabe, ang dami talaga nila. And, na-amaze lang kami, kasi sila na mismo yung nagpo-post, no? Sa mga results nila. And, I know, no, na lahat ng mga ito are part of the results dahil maganda talaga yung system. But, of course, right now, ito yung i-share ko sa inyo, no? Are you all ready? Are you all ready, no? Pa-type nga ready if you are all ready. Sige nga. Ayun, if you are ready, pa-type ready. Okay? Okay, here, no, sa mga andito. Okay. Ayun, if you are ready, pa-type ready. Ayun, dami na nagta-type ng ready. Okay, ready. Ready na talaga lahat. Okay. So, anyway, okay. Okay, first, ito yung pinaka-importante. Okay. Number 1. Okay. Education over profit. Kapag profit agad ang habol, mabilis talaga tayong madidisappoint. Pero kapag learning ang focus mo, profit ang kusang hahabol sa'yo. Again, solid foundation first, income later. So, yan po yung reason why kung bakit naging profitable sila. Because they value on education. Okay? Education muna bago profit. Okay. So, most new traders make one big mistake. They chase profit without learning the game. Again, knowledge protects your capital. Knowledge ang pinakaunang proteksyon ng capital natin. Okay? Kahit gaano kalaki ang puhunan mo, kung wala kang risk management, mauubos yan. Minsan guys, weeks lang yan. Minsan days lang. Pero kapag alam mo ang tamang rules, tamang risk at tamang execution, mas tumatagal ka sa market at mas lumalakas ang chance mong maging profitable long term. Kaya hindi talaga profit ang unang goal. Yung goal natin dito, protection muna bago kita. Okay? So, again, kapag kulang ka sa education, mas madali kang mabiktima. Ayun. Okay? Yung mga sinasabi na may mga post no na wala daw talo, ako na bahala sa'yo, 'di ba? Mag-invest ka lang dito. Doon talaga tayo nadadali, guys, no? Na yung sa mga investment, no? Yung mga 'di ba? Ang dami dito, 'di ba? Guys, I'm telling you. Okay? Kapag lack of education, mas madali tayong nabibiktima. Okay? Dito pumapasok yung mga fake signals, no? Yung mga pasabay trade, 'di ba? Yung mga misleading na get rich quick scheme, yung mga get rich quick scheme promises, 'di ba? So, aside from that, kapag hindi mo naintindihan ng market, kahit sino pwedeng makapag-influence sa'yo at minsan sa maling direksyon. Okay? So, that's the sad part. Okay? So, education, okay? Pero the moment that you educate yourself, natututo kang mag-analyze, mag-doubt sa scammy offers, at mag-decide based sa facts. Hindi siya sa hype. So, education doesn't make you a better trader. It protects you from becoming a victim. Okay? Again, education doesn't make you a better trader, but it protects you from becoming a victim.
Mayroon po tayong new enrolled.
So, that's why guys, no, maganda talaga na education first. And the moment na meron kang quality education, the result will follow. So, same as here, sa ipapakita ngayon ni Coach Nars.
Sa community natin na kumita ng 114,000 pesos in 3 days. Yes, heard it right. Kaya po, ito po yung message sa akin at nakakatuwa at saka napakasaya niyo po dahil nag-enroll siya sa community natin. Guys, tingnan natin.
So, ito po guys, ito na yung resulta na sinare niya sa akin guys, na kumita siya in 3 days guys ng 2,000 USD. Grabe guys. So, ito, Tuesday, 500, Wednesday, ito na yung mga profit niya guys. Na, yung 2,000 naging 3,000. Tapos, meron siyang another profit here na 539 USD. Tapos, another cent niya ng profit niya ng 818. Tapos, another day naman, kunita siya ng 600 rather. So, sulit na sulit, guys. Imagine niyo lahat-lahat, guys. Napakasaya niya, nagbalita sa akin. Kasi in just 3 days, kumita siya, guys, ng ito. Ang mga screenshots at resulta niya at patunay na ito yung kinita niya na in just 3 days, kumita siya, guys, ng 114,000 in 3 days. Kaya super thankful niya. At ito na guys, good news. Na-withdraw na ho niya guys. Pumasok na sa GoTime Bank niya. Wow!
Po guys, napakasayang balita po. Kaya if I were you, mag-message ka na guys para malaman paano mag-start at paano maging
Ayun guys, okay? Ayun. So, anyway, no, the result will follow the moment na alam mo na yung skill and the education. Okay? So, again, okay? Next, ito yung pinaka-importante. You need to control your emotion. Okay? Ano nga yung first? Sige nga, ano yung first?
Meron po.
The first one is education. Okay? The first one is education over profit. Okay? Education over profit. The second one is
Meron po.
okay, the second is control your emotion. Okay. Kasi bakit nga ba natatalo ang traders? Again, hindi dahil kulang sila sa strategy, hindi dahil hindi sila marunong mag-chart, kundi dahil sa overtrading, the FOMO, panic, revenge trading, and walang malinaw na plano. Okay? So, lahat ng yan, hindi technical problem, but that is what we call the emotional problem. Okay? Kapag sunod-sunod ang trades dahil nag-FOMO ka, talo ka. Kapag nagpanic ka at nag-close ka agad, kahit valid pa ang setup mo, talo ka pa rin. Kapag gusto mong bawiin agad ang loss mo, mas lalong lalaki ang talo mo. That's why a winning trader is not the smartest, but the most disciplined. Okay? So if you want to level up in trading, don't just focus on strategy. Master your emotions, because the moment you control your emotions, that's the moment you start controlling your result. Okay? And right now guys, I know maraming nakaka-relate dito. Right now, merong wars, may tension sa US, sa Iran, sa Saudi, sa Dubai, at ramdam to sa buong global market. Tumataas ang oil prices, nagiging unstable ang economy, at nagiging volatile ang market. Meaning, mas maraming takot, mas maraming uncertainty, pero mas maraming galaw sa market. And this is where trading becomes powerful. Okay? So may advantage siya, no, sa pagiging trader. Habang ang mundo nagkakagulo, ang market naman lalong nagiging buhay. That's why kailangan pa natin, no? Kailangan pa natin mag-learn, okay? Ayun, nawala daw yung video ko. Okay, hold on muna guys ha, parang merong technical problem. Just give me 5 minutes po, saglit lang po. I will, babalik ako dito, hold on. Ayun, kita na ba ako? Hello, mic check, mic. Ayun, nakikita na ba? Ayun. Okay. Grabe talaga yung technical. May mga technical issue talaga, guys. Okay. So anyway, saan na ba tayo ngayon, guys? Kapag nasa moment na talagang hindi minsan nakikisama yung internet connection. So, anyway, I think I'm good, no? So, again, guys, no? Nagiging powerful po, no, yung pagiging trader, okay, sa mga nangyayari right now. Kasi yung iba, akala nila na may mga parang mas disadvantage daw, no, na maging trader ka right now. But I'm telling you guys, no, tayo, habang yung iba natatakot, nawawala ng trabaho or apektado sa economy, tayong mga traders may isang advantage na kakaiba. Okay? Ang market ngayon lalong nabubuhay, nagiging buhay. So, first, we don't depend on location. Kahit may gera sa ibang bansa, you can still trade anywhere. Okay, number 2, we don't depend on one economy. Kapag bumagsak ang isang bansa, may ibang pairs naman, may ibang opportunity. Next, we benefit from movement. So, hindi kailangan umakyat lang ang market, kahit pababa, kumikita ka pa rin. 'Di ba? Because we earn sa dalawang posisyon, right? So, buy and sell. So, ito ang catch. Sa ganitong klaseng environment, mas lalong lumalabas yung FOMO, no? Kasi minsan parang natatakot tayo, 'di ba? So, kaya kailangan talagang aralin, okay? So, mas dito kasi lumalabas yung mga panic, overtrading, revenge trading, kasi mabilis ang galaw, emotional ang market, nakaka-tempt pumasok kahit walang plano. Dito na po pumapasok yung control your emotions. Okay? Because in times of chaos, discipline becomes your biggest edge. So, habang ang mundo puno po ng fear, ang winning trader kalmado lang. Okay? Habang ang iba reactive, ikaw naman calculated. Habang iba naman emotional, ikaw strategic. Okay? So that's why second is you need to control your emotion. Okay? Next, number 3, right people, right mindset. Okay? So ito siya guys ha, naniniwala ba kayo kung sino yung nasa environment nyo, magiging kapareha ka rin nila. Okay? Kapag nasa environment ka na puro chismosa, 'di ba? Hindi mo namamalayan nagiging chismosa ka na rin. Sino nakaka-relate dito? 'Di ba? Hindi mo na namamalayan, chismosa na pala ako. Okay, guys, mas mabilis ang growth kapag hindi ka nag-iisa. Okay, again, no? Pero kailangan na sa right people ka rin, right mindset, no? Kasi I'm telling you, kaya we have the community. Okay? We have the community. Kapag may mentorship kasi guys, hindi ka nangangapa, no? May guidance, no? Hindi ka paikot-ikot sa mali. Okay? May shared experience, kaya natututo ka sa mga pagkakamali. The best part of having a community, kapag nagtagumpay ka naman, you're able to share it to your co-traders inside the community. Sasabay lahat magtatagumpay, sasabay lahat papalakpak. Kapag nagkamali naman, sasabay naman lahat iiyak, no? Meron kang emotional accountability. Kaya hindi ka basta-basta sumusuko at nagre-revenge trade. No? Kasi the more that you have that community kasi guys, yung good vibes community ha, I'm telling with the same energy, no, na community. Kapag kasi may community ka, the moment na winning yung community mo, ikaw din mismo, mas lalo kang nalilift up. Mas lalong bumabalik yung fire sa'yo to do it again and again. Kasi na-challenge ka eh. 'Di ba? And I'm telling you, ang hirap talagang maging consistent kung mag-isa ka lang. 'Di ba? Ang hirap no kapag ikaw lang mag-isang umiyak, ikaw lang din mag-isang maging masaya, no? Ang hirap. Pero with the community and mentors beside you, you can learn faster. You can grow smarter and you can stay disciplined. Okay, again guys, winners are trained, hindi siya born. Dito guys, yung goal natin sa community, sabay-sabay tayong mag-level up. So that's why we have these trainings. Okay? So, again, the right mindset keeps you steady. Hindi ka madaling mag-shake ng takot, greed, or losses. Kaya mas lalong nagiging long-term ang success natin. Okay? So that's the best part. Okay. So, the right mindset, no, goal natin long-term success. Okay? Again, trading requires discipline, patience, and emotional control. A winning mindset helps you stay consistent, overcome fear and greed, and handle setbacks like a pro. Okay, next. Willing to pay the price. Number 4. Okay. So, just like in the fitness, may price talaga na kailangan mong bayaran. Hindi lang pera ang tinutukoy ko, kundi discipline, consistency, at sacrifice. Okay? Kagaya ni Les Brown, you must be willing to do what others won't do to achieve what others won't achieve. Ibig sabihin, kung gusto mo ng result na hindi nakukuha ng karamihan, kailangan mo rin gumawa ng mga bagay na hindi ginagawa ng karamihan. Example, mag-aral, andito ka ngayon, 'di ba? Instead na ngayon Saturday, 'di ba? Ngayon sa ibang bansa, kung nasa Saudi ka man or Dubai ka man, gumagala ka, 'di ba? Or nag-e-enjoy ka, 'di ba? Pero right now andito ka to learn. So that's part, no? That's part. That's why I would like to congratulate you because attending this kind of a session, it takes talaga patience, no? It takes patience, it takes time, no? Na andito ka, no? Mag-aral, mag-practice, maging patient, at iwasan ang shortcuts. Okay? So, minsan hindi yan ginagawa ng karamihan. And that's why most ng mga successful na tao, iba talaga yung ginagawa nila. Okay? Unlike sa iba na wala lang, petiks-petiks lang. Pero kung ikaw may hinahabol kang timeline, iba din po yung galaw mo. Right? So again, winners pay the price, losers avoid the price. So the question, alin ka ba dun? 'Di ba? So anyway, okay. So it is willing to pay the price. And it means being prepared to make the necessary sacrifices and endure the challenges, the risk, and cost required to achieve a goal or success. So, I know na most namang andito, especially beginners, may iba talaga nangangapa pa, no? Especially mga bago pa yung mga terms. But if you have that patience, I'm telling you guys, you will be successful. Kasi most talaga na I'm giving you hope because most ng mga kumikita dito ng malaki, they are really hungry for learnings. They want to learn and learn and learn. And this learning, itong skill na to, hindi siya mababaliwala. Kaya yung profit result lang yan based on your effort na talagang ginawa mo. Okay? Effort na binigyan mo ng oras na matuto ka. Again, forex trading is a skill. Okay? So, okay, ayun. And when we talk about paying the price, of course, meron talaga yung financial commitment. It may refer to the money you might need to invest in the tools, education, and capital. 'Di ba? Kasi when we talk about forex trading, guys, mahal talaga. You can do your own diligence kung magkano yung forex trading, magkano mag-aral ng forex trading, no? Kung gusto mo sa ibang bansa, like nung time na pumunta sina Coach Nars and Coach MJ sa Dubai, alam nyo magkano daw yung enrollment doon? Umaabot po ng 3.5 million. Pero yung mga classmates mo doon, mga Breton. Kung gusto mo naman ng mga high-paying education, no, yung mga high-learning education, yung mga big schools, 'di ba? Nag-o-offer na rin sila, Ateneo, LaSalle, pero mahal talaga, 'di ba? So, if you want that, no, kung gusto mo naman, of course, if you really want to level up, you are really want to kasama na po yung pag-pay ng price, no? So, handa kang gumawa ng mga necessary sacrifices at kayanin ang challenges, the risk at cost para ma-achieve ang goal mo. So, hindi madali ang trading journey. Pero kung handa kang magtiyaga, mag-aral at mag-sacrifice, doon nagsisimula ang tunay na success. Because success has a price and winners are the ones willing to pay for it. Okay, so guys, hindi lang oras at effort ang kailangan. Minsan, kailangan pa rin nating mag-invest ng tools, the education at capital. Again, hindi ito gastos. Investment po ito guys sa skills, sa future mo at pagiging profitable mo sa long term. At lagi nating tandaan, the right investment in yourself will always give the highest return. Okay? Again, mga traders, ang pagiging willing to pay the price, ibig sabihin, yakapin mo yung buong journey papunta sa goals mo. Okay? Tanggapin mo na hindi madali ang success. Kasi kung madali lang, dapat lahat mayaman na. Okay? Tanggapin natin na hindi madali ang success. Merong sacrifices, may challenges, may delays, pero lahat ng yan kailangan para mag-grow ka at ma-achieve mo ang gusto mo. Hindi perfect ang journey. Hindi siya perfect, pero kung committed ka, promise guys, worth it ang destination mo. Okay? So again sa Hero 30 sa mga bago pa lang na mga andito, again guys, this is a structured trading program na scheduled po yung session. So ito po, I'll give you a snippet or a preview kung ano yung laman no ng ating mga session. So ito po yung ating website, okay? So meron na po diyan yung scheduled sessions natin, andyan na po yung ating meron din po tayong scheduled group coaching. Okay, may group coaching po tayo na nangyayari. Okay, so kung hindi ka nakapag-attend sa live, don't worry because we have recorded sessions which are uploaded na rin po sa Telegram. Okay, so lahat po ng sessions meron siyang replay, may recording. You can watch it anytime and catch up at your own pace. And I'm telling you, everything has a price but not everything has value. The best part of Hero 30, what you paid is not just the Zoom session itself, but you paid for the structure, you paid for the guidance, and you paid for the real learning system. Okay? So, eto, kung meron ka pang feeling na March, kaya ko ba talaga yan? 'Di ba? Kasi medyo ako parang talagang meron pa akong doubt. Pero eto guys, no? I'm telling you, I will show you, no? Meron po tayong 11 years old doing this. Actually, anak po siya ni Coach Nar. So, tignan ninyo.
What are you doing?
Trading.
Yeah, wow. So, what did you learn from tonight's trade?
So,
What's your strategy?
I always be cautious. I always put TPs.
O, diba? Ang cute. Guys, kahit yung mga anak ninyo, pwede na pong matuto. So, ganyan lang po ka-easy. No? Ganyan lang po siya talaga kapag meron lang pong structure on how to follow it. Okay? So, anyway, also, sino dito yung mga 60s? May mga 60s ba dito? Kaway-kaway sa mga 60 years old. Okay, we have here Sir Eman, diba? So, actually, this is your best retirement plan. Ayun, no? Guys, meron po tayo dito, no? Na-amaze lang ako kasi wala talaga siya sa edad. If you're really willing to learn, kayang-kaya talagang matutunan. Okay? And of course, again, number 5. Number 5. Ito po yung isa, no, sa mga sekreto, no, kung bakit talaga yung iba nagiging profitable, nagiging consistent trader. Dahil the moment, no, na you own it and take 100% responsibility. Always remember, ikaw ang CEO ng negosyo mo. Okay, negosyo kasi si Forex trading, guys. No? Ibig sabihin, ikaw ang may hawak ng resulta mo. Kung may mali ka, iayos natin. 'Di ba? Iayos mo. Kung may mali ka, iayos mo. Kung may loss ka, tinatanggap mo. Kung may need kang i-improve, ginagawan mo agad ng paraan. The solution is always within you. Hindi sa market, hindi sa signals, hindi sa ibang tao. The moment you take 100% responsibility, doon nagsisimula ang totoong success mo sa trading. Okay? Kaya sobrang importante ang 100% responsibility sa trading, guys. Kapag inako mo ang responsibility, tumitigil ka sa sisihan, tumitigil ka sa blaming. From blaming the market to taking control of your action. At kapag ikaw ang may hawak ng desisyon mo, mas madali kang matututo, mas madali kang mag-a-adjust, at mas madali kang mag-level up. Again, owning your mistakes is what makes you grow. And owning your decision is what makes you a trader. Okay? So again, own it and take 100% responsibility. Okay? So, again, no? Taking 100% responsibility in Forex trading is crucial because it shifts the focus from external blame to internal control. Owning your actions and decisions allows you to learn from your mistakes. Mas madali kang makapag-adjust if you have that quality. No, kapag nagbi-blame ka pa sa ibang tao, matatagalan ka talaga. Okay? So, again, okay, kapag lagi kang nagbe-blame sa external factors like the broker, the market, the news, ibang tao, mas lalo kang nagiging frustrated at emotional. At kapag emotional ka, yun ang pinakadelikado sa Forex. Kaya importante na imbis mag-blame ka, mag-focus tayo kung sa kaya nating i-control, which is yung skills, which is yung mindset, at which is your discipline. Okay? Okay. So, again, no, blaming external factors can leads to frustration and emotional trading. Okay. So, which is yan po yung talagang isa sa pinaka mahirap, no, na normally kasi normal sa tao mag-blame. But, kapag ikaw aware ka na may personality ka na, uy, parang nagbe-blame na ako sa ibang tao, hindi pala yun tama. So, I need to take responsibility. Saan ba yung mali ko? Okay, and then you adjust from it. The moment you have that awareness, guys, I'm telling you, you're winning. Okay? Mas madali na siya. Okay? So, again, owning your trading journey, kapag inako mo talaga ang trading journey mo at tinake mo ang 100% responsibility, nagbabago ka. Nagiging mas empowered at mas adaptable. Hindi ka nakafocus sa sisihan, nagfo-focus ka agad sa solusyon. At yan ang nagdadala sa'yo sa tuloy-tuloy na growth at long-term success sa Forex trading. Okay? Yan po yung isa sa pinakasekreto. Okay? So that's why yung iba talaga, they have the trading plan. Kapag, example, mali ka dito, saan ka nagkamali? Nagtitake notes sila. Okay? Kaya mayroong tinatawag na trading journal. Okay? So, anyway, okay, number 6. Okay, number 6. Ang profitable traders gumagamit talaga ng tools. Okay, may mga tools talaga. Bakit? Kasi the tools will give you clarity, it will give you confidence at faster decision making. Hindi ka umaasa sa hula. May system, may guide, may structure. So, parang isang mechanic, ito example. Hindi siya nag-aayos ng sasakyan kapag gamit lang yung hula, no? May tool siyang ginagamit. May kagamitan, may system. Okay? Ganon din sa trading. Ang mga profitable traders gumagamit po ng tools. Bakit? Kasi ang tools again, nagbibigay siya ng clarity. So, mas nagiging confident ka din. Okay? So, we are based on, of course, meron po tayong mga technical analysis sessions, but of course, meron din po tayong tools. Okay? The best part of tools, no? The best part, mas nagiging confident ka. Okay, nagiging confirmation siya based on your analysis. So, faster na po yung decision making mo, hindi ka na nahuhuli sa galaw. Hindi ka umaasa sa hula, may system ka, may guide ka, may structure ka. Okay? Sa trading kasi guys, delikado yung feel ko tataas, feel ko bababa. Kasi emotions na yan hindi na siya strategy. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-trade like a pro, gumamit ka rin ng tools na ginagamit ng mga pro. Okay? So, tandaan guys, tools doesn't guarantee profits, pero they massively improve your accuracy and discipline. So, here in our community guys, no? Here in our community, we have tools. May mga tools po tayo. So, best example, we have this smart move indicator. Okay? May mga tools po tayo. Isa ito sa mga cheat codes ng community na tumutulong sa'yo makita kung kailan may real move na market may real move na nangyayari sa market at kung kailan dapat ka lang maghintay. So, hindi na lang siya hula-hula sa trade, ginagamit natin to bilang confirmation. So, we have, meron po tayong session for that, okay, every Monday. Okay? Next, ito po yung example. Okay? So, next, we have the Surefire. Okay, kasama po ito sa Hero VIP, no? Meron din po tayong Surefire signal. Makikita din dito, malinaw po yung entry zone, yung multiple take profit levels. Okay, malinaw din po yung stop loss at naka-label din po siya na day trade setup. Okay? Also, we have this, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, meron po tayong
74.9.
Okay, meron po tayong live session every day from Monday to Friday. Okay, kasi sarado po yung Forex market every Saturday and Sunday. Okay? So, kasama po yan sa Hero 30 session po natin, no? So, the best part of this live trading session po ito, hindi siya replay. Okay? Hindi din po siya backtest lang. Real-time trading sa live market. So, actually, last Friday, ito po yung mga wins po ng community natin. Pakinggan natin, guys.
90, 43, 74.
Ayun. So, anyway guys, lahat ng po na yan, no, kasama po yan. Sila, yung mga students po natin, nagpo-post na po sila. After live trading, no, after live trading talaga. No, talagang, sumasabay kasi tayo sa trade. Okay.
Hi peeps, today
Okay, hold on muna kasi parang hindi daw naririnig yung audio. Ito din guys, may papakita ko sa inyo on how the live trading no, sa community po natin. Hold on. I-on ko lang yung sound para marinig po ninyo. Ganito po kami sumabay sa trade. It is headed by our founder, Coach Nars. So, anyway, pakinggan po ninyo.
Hi Pips, today is the day. Sobrang excited namin right now. We are here and nasa 700 plus attendees tayo right now for our US 30 live session. So ano bang ibig sabihin nun guys?
Eto guys, itong nakikita nyo, mangyari dito ngayon, magla-live trading tayo. Imagine, sasabay ka na lang sa Zoom at makikinig ka when to buy and when to sell in the market.
So ano yung advantage nito if you are still starting in the trading industry, okay? Magiging confident ka kasi may magko-confirm ng trades mo, okay? So it doesn't mean na papasok ka lang dito sa live trading session na wala kang idea, wala kang proper training, wala kang process, no? So the good thing is you can also do your demo account while still backtesting as well. So ganito kaganda sa community natin kasi imagine mo manual trading yung inaaral, foundations, basic strategies, at meron pang mga additional features like mga live indicators, and ito, yung US 30 scalping live session natin.
ang ipapractice mo dito guys natin, pagbukas ng next candle, yung tinatawag natin na candle, opening candle.
So for tonight setup na live trading session, ayun guys, medyo konti lang, kumurot lang tayo pero not bad for today. That's 258 USD. Ako, okay na okay sa akin yon kasi 15 minutes lang naman ako nag-trade.
Okay, ayun guys. So, that's the sample of our live session. Okay? So, anyway, okay, ito din po guys. Actually, patapos na pala ako, no? Patapos na ako. So, by the way, kasama po yon every 9 p.m., 9:30 magbubukas na agad si market, right? Pero 9 p.m., automatically nasa Zoom na tayo lahat nun, okay? For, makikita nyo din po doon yung setup, the backtest, okay? Bago tayo mag-trade, okay? So, ika nga sabi ni Muhammad Ali, no? He who is not courageous enough to take risk will accomplish nothing in life. Kung wala kang courage to take risk, wala kang ma-achieve. Again, trading requires tapang, discipline, and willingness to grow. Again, hindi madali, pero kapag committed ka, your skills, confidence, and results will follow. Okay? So, that's the goal here. No? Maging consistent tayo, maging courageous tayo. And actually, eto, I'm done guys, but I would like to leave you with this quote, no? I would like you to leave you with this quote. Alam ko, karamihan sa inyo OFW, no? Malayo sa family, nagtitiis, nagwo-work ng mahaba para lang may maipadala sa Pilipinas. And I want to honor you for that. Pero let me ask you honestly, hanggang kailan tayo ganito? Hanggang kailan tayo magtatrabaho para sa oras? Imbis na dumating yung point na pera na ang nagtatrabaho para sa atin, I want you to reflect on this. If someone offers you an amazing opportunity that you're not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. Again, ganito din po sa trading. Maraming gustong magsimula pero ang pumipigil sa kanila, hindi ako ready, wala akong enough knowledge, baka matalo ako, pero the truth is, walang nagiging ready bago magsimula. So you become ready because you started. Lahat ng profitable traders ngayon, nagsimula din po sila sa zero knowledge. Nalito, natakot, nagkamali. Pero ang difference nila, they said yes sa opportunity. And again guys, no, I have a good news sa inyo. The good news right now, Hero 30 right now is still extended po yung $99. Okay? So from 198 actually, no, discounted pa po siya up until this week. No, I'm not sure kung kailang araw na ipapa-end ni Coach Nars kasi hindi ko naman hawak yung desisyon, no, sa price, no, sa community sa Hero 30 sessions po natin. But ito lang, the best part of this Hero 30 challenge. This is a lifetime membership na siya. And the goal here ay makatulong sa atin yung mga zero knowledge. Example, the basic. Sobrang basic. Paano gumawa ng demo, MP5. Sobrang basic, no? Basic hanggang execution. May guide, may system, may community na sasabay sa atin. And this is a group coaching setup, ha? Group coaching setup siya. Pero the best part, hindi ka lang self-study kasi meron tayong group coaching session. So, hindi ka nag-iisa sa journey. I want you to listen carefully. I want you to listen, no? This opportunity na nakikita mo ngayon, hindi siya permanent. Right now, naka-discount siya from $198 down to $99. Pero guys, this is a limited time lang. Anytime, pwede itong bumalik sa original price na $198. So, ang tanong ngayon, maghihintay ka pa ba habang magmahal ulit? Or magde-decide ka habang nasa lowest entry point pa siya? Okay? Because real talk again guys, ang mga successful na tao hindi nag-aantay sa perfect timing. They act when the opportunity is in front of them. Okay? So if you're serious na mag-level up, lahat ng mga pinakita ko kanina, yung sa website, yung mga coaching, yung mga scheduled session, yung pinakita ko na SMI, the Surefire, the Signals, kasama na po yan. Okay? And also the 30-day training, but the best part, this is a lifetime, no? Lifetime na po siya. So, hindi lang siya mag-e-end sa 30 days. So, again guys, message the page or the coach assigned enroll para mabigyan na po kayo ng form. Okay? Meron po siyang form. Okay? So, i-message yun na sila ngayon ng enroll. Okay? Uy, ayun, bad signal. Hoping, Julius, ikaw admin. Si Sir Norms, di po sumasagot. Okay, Sir Norms, i-message mo si Sir Julius. Okay. Manifesting success. Ayun, Sir Vic. Ayun, welcome ahead, Sir Vic. Welcome po. Okay, on the end of this month si Sir Julius, ayun, hanggang kailan daw yung discount? Okay, hindi ko po alam kung hanggang kailan, sir. Okay. So, hindi ko po alam, okay? So, probably this week lang po si $99. So that's why, that's a good news for us. Kasi actually, it's extended na po siya. Okay? Extended na po siya. Matagal na po siyang naka-extend. Alam ng mga second timer dito or third timer na ba na andito. Okay? Hopefully this month, hopefully kung makahabol, hopefully Sir Julius. But we have still free trainings po. Okay? We have still trainings. Okay? So, ayun, enroll na guys para maging classmate na tayo. Okay, ayun, late na po kasi ako. Okay, don't worry Sir Ace, we'll be giving a recording for this afterwards, okay? Okay, so sana hindi magtaas. Hopefully, Ma'am Melo, how about yung 100% bonus? Yes, still, meron pa rin po, Sir Ner. Okay, meron pa rin. You're welcome po. Yes, $99. Yes, USD po siya. Pero actually, naka-flat rate po tayo ng 5,700. Okay? Naka-flat rate po siya ng 5,700. How to know po the coaches po, Ma'am Marge? Kung sino po yung nag-add sa inyo dun sa GC, yun po yung coach assigned natin. Okay? So, balikan nyo po yung coach assigned natin or the page. Okay? First timer, no knowledge, interested. Welcome, Sir Carlo. Okay, ayun, permission, no problem po. Actually, I'm done. Thank you so much for taking time. And pasensya na rin po kasi medyo yun nga, the signal is not that good. Kahit nakapagbayad po ako ng internet at nagbayad din po yung kapitbahay namin. Super ganda at talagang matuto tayo. Yes, Sir Ayan, tama po. Okay, syukran. Okay, syukran po. Anyway, thank you so much for having me here and I will be seeing you for the next session. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mag-e-enroll. Again guys, message enroll to the coach assigned para mabigyan na po kayo ng form agad. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a great day. God bless. See you po sa ibang sessions po natin. Good night everyone. Thank you so much.